Adobo tayong pork. Yes. Alala ko, i-blend ko siya ng corn. I love always corn on my recipes. Lagyan natin ng konti. Try natin. I love experimenting recipe. My original recipes. Mekas. I love corn. Yes. That's why I added corn. Just try if what